Hi friends, welcome back to Time to Learn. In this video, we will see how to install Android Studio in Ubuntu 18.04. For that, we required some commands. So for that commands, I will provide you a website link in the description box. Click on that website link and go to the website and get the required command and simply copy and paste them and run. Okay, first we need to update our system. So run the command sudo apt update or copy paste the command, then simply enter. So this process will take some time. Wait a while until complete. Okay, then we need to check whether Java is installed or not. So to check that, simply copy and paste the command Java version. Okay, then simply enter. Now we can observe that I already installed Java 11.0.4 version. So if you didn't install Java, so simply copy and paste the command sudo apt install openjdk 8jdk, then simply enter. So I already installed that, skipping that process. Okay, why? Because I have internet problem, so skipping that one. Okay, after installing the Java, we need to install Android Studio. So if you didn't install Java, then Android Studio won't be installed. So remember that thing and don't skip that and install the Java JDK. Okay, now I am running the command sudo snap install Android Studio Classic to install Android Studio in Ubuntu 18.04. Okay, this process are time taken process. It will take some time. Please wait a while and complete the process. Okay, after completing the installation, Android Studio will open directly. Here you can observe that welcome to Android Studio. Okay, simply click on next. Here you can observe that installation type standard and custom. If you select custom, here you can customize your settings like installation path and required components and all. So I am going with a standard version. I also recommended you to go with a standard version. So standard installation setup. Okay, so next one is theme. Here we have two types in theme. One is dark color, one is light. Light will give you color in white. Dark color will give you in black in color. Okay, dark mode theme. Okay, now I'm going with the dark color. Then simply click on next. Then verify the settings like a path and the required components and all. Then simply click on next. Then click on finish. Okay, downloading components. This is also some time taken process. So make sure that this Android Studio is everything depends upon internet connection. So make sure your internet connection and be patient while installing Android Studio. Okay. Okay. Please wait a while. It will complete. Okay, installation is completed. Then simply click on finish to open Android Studio. Okay, now we can observe that Android Studio 4.2, this is the latest version. Now we can observe the some options here to create new project and to open existing project in your laptop. Okay, create a new project and okay, then select the theme. Okay, then give application setup and simply click on finish. The first Android Studio project will be complete. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like it, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Likes and subscriptions are most important to get to boost our channel. Please do subscribe and like. Thank you.